Welcome to Nalla Narasimha Reddy Group of Institutions, Department of Civil Engineering. Myself, Suresh Kumar, Assistant Professor in Department of Civil Engineering. As to my previous class, where I explained about compass of conversions, we'll quick review of how to convert whole circle bearing to reduced bearing and reduced bearing to whole circle bearing, and then we'll see one problem based on these conversions. If you see here, line, whole circle bearing and quadrilateral bearing. See, if it is AB, if you are, it is the station AB. So here what we are taking this as station B, C, D, A. This is station A. So if you think about A, B, AB, the line AB is nothing but that angle between this AB, that is nothing but Q1. And if you want to convert that into whole circle bearing into quadrilateral bearing, that is n theta 1 east, that is northeast coordinate, your angle will be theta 1. So here, where in whole circle bearing, the angle will not change if you convert into reduced bearing or quadrilateral bearing also, it will not convert. The angle will be remain same. That the only thing is, will show the coordinate, that is in which coordinate, northeast coordinate or southeast coordinate or southwest coordinate. We only indicate if it is first coordinate, it will be northeast coordinate, the angle will remains same. If you see AC, here is my station A, it is my station A and AC. If we consider this angle AC, that is theta 2, if you want to know, if you want to convert that quadrilateral bearing, that is south 180 minus theta 2 will gives you southeast, that will converted into quadrilateral bearing. 180 minus theta 2 will gives you the quadrilateral bearing. If you want to know theta 3 of whole circle bearing into quadrilateral bearing, theta 3 minus 180 W. Theta 3 minus 180 because it will comes in third coordinate. So here the angle will be with reference to the north, and it will be ended at D. So here AD, the angle is L LOD, the angle between LOD gives you the coordinate value. So that is theta 3 minus 180 will gives you the theta that will be converted into quadrilateral bearing. If you want to find theta 4 into quadrilateral bearing, 360 minus theta 4 will gives you the theta 4 value will be converted into reduced bearing, that is northwest. So it will comes in this coordinate. It will comes in the fourth coordinate. In that fourth coordinate will represent as northwest. So the northwest and 360 minus theta 4 will gives you the perfect value of quadrilateral bearing. So this is the how we convert that whole circle bearing into quadrilateral bearing. See, if I want to find here, we convert the following WBC to QB. So we have seen the concept how to convert. Okay, we know. See, if I want to convert this whole circle bearing into reduced bearing, what I will do? See, that is what I am doing here. I know in first coordinate the angle will not change. So my value is northeast, the angle is same, that is 65 degrees. My angle is same, 65 degrees 35 seconds. seconds. So in first coordinate, if you are converting that whole circle bearing into reduced bearing, it will not change the angle. If you see in the second coordinate, what happens? Southwest. That is southwest. South, your value is west. Southeast, sorry. Southeast. So if it is second coordinate, that is southeast. What we need to do here? What is 180 minus theta 2? That is 180. According to the formula I am doing here, 180 degrees minus 140 degrees 20 seconds. 140 degrees 20 seconds. So if I want to convert this 180 minus 140, how much? 39 degrees 40 seconds. That is, my reduced bearing value is southeast 39 degrees 40 seconds. Oh, sorry, 40 minutes. So here in the similar way, if you want to convert the coordinate 3, our formula is, we can subtract that value from 180. So here what we'll do here, we convert this value into southwest as, now southwest, your coordinate will be southwest and your coordinate will be southwest, and we need to find the value, that is 255 minus 255 degrees 10 minutes minus 180 minus 180 minus 180 degrees will gives you the third coordinate value. How much? If you subtract this, how much the value is? 75 is 74.50 degrees. 74 degrees 50 minutes. That is my third coordinate value. In the similar way, if you want to find this fourth coordinate, that is northwest. That is, the value is northwest. You indicate in the coordinate as northwest, that is fourth coordinate. In this fourth coordinate, that will be 360 degrees minus this value, that is 336. 336 minus 360 will gives you the 24. The 24 degrees, that is 23 degrees 20 minutes. 23 degrees